Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can install Gemma4 on your local computer. Now, for those who don't know, Gemma4 is Google's open AI model that you can run locally on your computer, and it is completely free. I will put all the links used in this video in the YouTube description for you. You guys can get it from there. Now, there are a few models that you can download. I'm just going to show you how to download a Gemma4 model and run some prompts on your local computer. And bear in mind that the data that you use never leaves your local computer, so it is safer than running an online AI model. This is perfect for testing as well. So in order to install Gemma4, I'm going to use a tool called LM Studio. So let's just go to Google and type LM Studio. I'm going to click on the official link for LM Studio. Now, the good thing about LM Studio is it's completely free and it is going to give you a graphical user interface to use and install these AI models. Otherwise, there are options that you can use using command prompt to install these local OpenAI models. But with this option, things are much easier and straightforward. So let's go ahead and click download for Windows to download LM Studio. Okay, it looks like LM Studio has been downloaded to my local computer. I'm going to click on the setup file to install it. Okay, let's click I agree on the license agreement. And I'm just going to install this for myself. But if you want to install it for all users on your computer, you can take this option. Let me just go back to the default option and click next. It is going to take around 2 gigs of space. I'm going to click install and I'm happy with the local destination folder that is defaulted in the process. So let's click install. Okay, so LM Studio has been installed successfully on my local computer. Let's click finish and make sure that this checkbox is ticked. So when you hit finish, it'll open up LM Studio for you. Okay, so let's go ahead and click get started. And over here, it is going to recommend you to download your first AI model. But if you don't want to do that, you can just click skip for now and search for any other AI models that you want to download. So let me just click on skip for now. And I am going to just leave the default settings as it is and click on continue to LM Studio. And I'm going to go ahead and click on this icon here. And as I mentioned earlier, in here, you will be able to search and download any AI model that you'd like to use on your local computer. Now, there are several Gemma4 models. Obviously, the smaller the model is, the faster it is going to be. And the larger the model is, the more power it's going to have to run your queries. So just be mindful. You need to make sure that you have enough space and processing power. For this tutorial, I think I'm just going to go ahead and download Gemma4 E4B model, as I mentioned earlier. So I've just selected that model and I'm going to click download to download the AI model to my local computer. Okay, so the model has been downloaded successfully to my local computer. I'm going to go ahead and click use in new chat. So we will be able to use Google's Gemma4 on my local computer. I'm going to expand this window and let me just get rid of this pop-up. And over here, you'll be able to select your AI model. Now, at the moment, I only have Gemma4 E4B model, so I only have option for that OpenAI model. So in this case, let's just go ahead and ask a simple question. I'm just going to say, provide steps to creating or setting up a gaming PC from start to end. As you can see, it is very responsive, and if you have a dedicated GPU, you're going to find that it is going to work really fast for you as well. So one other thing that you can also do is you can click on this plus icon and upload an image if you want to summarize what's on an image. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. If you've got any questions, put them in the comments below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, take care and have a good day.